Welcome to Math with Professor V. Here is your latest integral of the day. We have the definite integral from 1 to 2 of x raised to the x squared plus 1 times 2 natural log of x plus 1 dx. So pause the video, try it on your own if you'd like. It's actually not too lengthy or wild. You just have to kind of see how to make an appropriate substitution. And I thought this is a good one to practice. We're going to be holding the integration bee where I work in a few weeks, so a good warm up for those of you who are getting ready to compete. Okay, definitely noticing we're going to have to make some sort of u-substitution, and my eyes are jumping to this term here. Initially, I let u be all of it and it wasn't quite working out. So then what I did was rewrite the integral from the beginning as 1 to 2 x to the x squared times x to the first. So I broke up x to the x squared plus 1. And then what was kind of popping out at me was the fact that we needed to make some sort of substitution involving this x to the x squared. So I just wanted to play around with it, see where things were going. So I'm going to let u be x raised to the x squared. And I really love this problem because you need to use logarithmic differentiation in order to find du. So that means we can't just take the derivative just yet. I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So ln of u equals ln of x raised to the x squared. And the whole purpose of doing this is so we can use our log properties now, move that exponent to the front, because we don't have a differentiation rule when there's a variable in the base and a variable in the exponent. No, we have to use logarithmic differentiation. So we have ln of u equals x squared times ln of x. From here, now we'll differentiate both sides implicitly. So this is going to be 1 over u du, derivative of the left. And then now we need to do product rule. So here's one function. Here's another function. So derivative of x squared is 2x. Leave ln of x alone. Plus derivative of, no, I'm leaving x squared alone. And then derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. And then all of this has a dx attached to it. And then I got very excited because look, 2 ln x plus 1, I see that. So let's just keep going. 1 over u du equals 2x ln of x plus x dx, which if you want to factor out that x to really make it match your integral, go for it. So it's x times 2 ln of x plus 1 dx. So remember what we had just a second ago. Let me drag it down here so you can see things are just falling into place beautifully. So we have this extra x to the first, 2 ln of x plus 1 dx. All of this is what? 1 over u du. Wow. And then x raised to the x squared was u. Only other thing before we make this substitution, don't forget to change your limits of integration. So we had let u equal x raised to the x squared. So u of my lower limit 1, 1 to the 1 squared, that's still 1. And then u of 2, 2 to the 2 squared, 2 to the 4th is 16. Okay, perfect. So now we'll have integral from 1 to 16 of u times 1 over u du. Fabulous. So just integral 1 to 16, 1 du, which is going to be u evaluated from 1 to 16, which is 16 minus 1, which is 15. Perfect. Good job. How did you do? If this was on the integration bee, would you have gotten it correct, or would this have eliminated you from the competition? Anyways, comment down below. I have more spicy ones we can do in the coming weeks for those of you who are prepping or just like a little bit more of a challenge. Nothing beyond, calculus 2 really. We can just keep it here in this nice little lane, but more trickster kind of problems. If you need to review any of your integration techniques, then you're in the right place. Check out the rest of my playlist. I have a full playlist for calculus 2 video lectures, integral of the day, sequences and series if you're studying that right now, as well as video lectures for Calc 3, differential equations, linear algebra, and so much more. Thank you guys for your support. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Math with Professor V.